kako je počet traže traperice. Jednom davno, prije 2 tjedna, 3 su brata ušla u WC u školi pod malim odmorom. Sjeli su na WC školjke. U jednom trenutku iz svih 3 školjki je nestala voda i neka sila je počela vući njihove hlače kao neka crna ruka. Dok se oni dozivali do Mara, školjke su im vukle i napokon povukle hlače. On im nije mogao pomoći, ali se onda sjetio da ima 2 para hlača njihovih veličina. Ljutiša i Marom su brzo uzeli ta 2 para, pa je potih ostao u svojim gačicama na suprotnju. Bio je tužen jer su stradale njegove traperice, koje su bile najljepše u cijeloj školi. Vučio ih je vratiti. Pozdravio je sa svojom braćom. Zatim je otišao na drugi kraj škole jer u onom još nije prestala raditi sila. Stao je u školu i pustio vodu. Kad je kroz cijevi koje su djelovale kao tobogan došao u kanalizaciju, iznenadio se što je vidio. To je bio kao raj za životinje. Štakovi, partijanevi, studenti, miševi, pušterice, navijačice i još mnoge druge životinje. Čak je vidio i svoju gibicu Gloju, a ona je brzo otišla. A onda je u daljini čuo nekoga. Ove traperice su preuske. Kad je otišao da pogleda tko je to bio. To je bio Palunko. TV klon čija je serija bila otkazana nakon jednog lošeg vica. Palunko je uočio potiha. Počela je borba. Palunko je bacio svoj crveni nos koji je zapravo bila bomba. Potih je izbjegao i udario Palunko pod njegove stražnice. Tog dana bol u Palunkove stražnici nikad nije prestao. Palunko se onesvijestio pa mu je Potih uzeo traperice. Kad je izašao iz kanalizacije, naišao se u Belgiji, uzeo drugu rutu. Vratio se u školu baš kad je zvonilo i završio mali odmor. Vratio se na nastavu i svi su živjeli dugo i sretno. Naravno, svi osim Palunka.
Palunko and his mobile phone. Once upon a time, there was a pupil called Palunko. He didn't have any friends. He was very lonely. Then he met a boy called Maru. They became friends. One day, as he was passing by some shop windows, he saw the most beautiful mobile he had ever seen before. It was elastic and thin as a lat. He wanted it so badly, but he didn't have any money to buy it. So he made a plan to steal it. He talked to Marun and the other boy called Petar into it. They agreed to help Palunko stealing the mobile phone. One day they walked into the shop. Marun and Petar tried to steal some mobile phones, but they were caught. While the security man was calling the police, Palunko managed to steal his precious mobile phone. His friends were arrested. They thought that Palunko would help them, but he didn't care. He had his mobile phone. That was all that mattered to him at that moment. Marun and Petar were punished and even put in jail for some time. Meanwhile, Palunko became addicted to his mobile phone. He spent all his time on it. Then he became lonely again. He didn't have any friends. When Marun and Petar got out of the prison, they visited Palunko. They were so angry with him, they took his precious mobile phone and smashed it. Palunko was relieved. He begged them to become his friends again. They agreed.